So we bought a lift kit for the Polaris Ranger from Amazon. And here's what you get. 2 brackets for the rear, I assume. 2 for the front. And a bunch of hardware. And no directions. So now the fun part is figuring out where everything goes. It's supposed to be a 2-inch, but we'll find out in the end what we really got. Can't really see real good. But we got about 9.5 inches to the bottom of the hitch. So we'll remove this pin for the assist so we get a little more room. Put that back in there so I don't lose it. Now we're gonna remove this bolt on the other side first. Well, I guess we should jack it up. I'll jack it up and then remove this bolt and we'll try to fit that bracket on. So here's the bolt. I got it loose already. Taking the nut off. Luckily that came out. I'm going to loosen one on the other side because of the sway bar. Pull this bolt out. Now this bracket should fit in here. I've tried it a bunch of different ways. Well, this bushing fits down in here where the shock was. There's where I am so far, and the shock should go in that hole now. As far as I'm guessing, and I gotta figure out where all the washers go yet. But without directions, which would make it too easy, there's where we're at so far. I'm guessing the 2 little ones go in between here. Next one. So I put the bolt in, little shim, shock, shim, and then we'll be putting the locking nut on. Now we'll just tighten these bolts up, all three of them. I already got that one tight, but the other two, and then we'll move on to the other side. Little bolt. Lock nut. There we go. Nut. So this is what we're looking at. As far as I can figure, that's how it goes. Of course, with no directions, makes it a little bit more difficult. May have to do something there. I don't quite like how that sway bars, that may need extended. But we'll put our shock back on and call the back end done for now. So before the lift, we're about 18 3/4 to the bottom of the winch bracket there. So we'll open up the hood. You gotta take this nut out and drop that down, and then put wherever it went. Put this piece on down and underneath. Now give me a minute and I'll take them loose. Take this loose. This is a hex on the stud. So I guess we want to start that in there. This should go on here. Hold on. Be nice if we had directions. Now we screw that down tight against to lock it, I'm assuming, and then snug it up. we'll take this off. Don't forget that piece. Your bushing. There. And this will go on top like that. Here, but I'll put it in after you get it in. That way you don't have to fight it. I'll leave it down a little bit. Stud goes in the top. And that's locked. Leave it down some more. Bushing. Just like it was before. And we got some parts left over. These two bushings and these two washers. Be nice if we had directions to see where they really belonged. Now we'll take it for a test run. And we'll get another measurement on where it really ended up at. $20 3/8, almost 20 1/2. So that's not quite 2 inches. And now we're at 11. So really the 2-inch lift kit gives you about 1.5 inches. But I think it looks a little better, and hopefully it won't bottom out so much now. And if anybody knows where the extra parts go, let us know. Because we got these parts here left over. So just trying to help somebody out, because with no directions, it ain't real easy. All right, thanks for watching.